So let me share the screen with you. So last week up to 23 questions I have discussed. Today 24th onwards I will do. Yes, so 23 question was opposition to the partition of Bengal led to the Swadeshi and boycott movement, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement. So the answer is Swadeshi and boycott movement. Oh, today 23 onwards we are going to, last week 22 we have done. Yes. So like last week was the British government introduced the policy of divide and rule to suppress the nationalism. This was the answer. And now 23 question is opposition to the party of Bengal led to the Swadeshi and boycott movement, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement. So the correct answer is the first one, Swadeshi and boycott movement. So this is the correct answer. We'll move to the 24th question. Disobeying law peacefully was the main objective of the civil disobedience movement, non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement, Swadeshi and boycott movement. So which is the correct answer? Disobeying laws peacefully was the main objective of the civil disobedience movement. So the first one is the correct answer. Yes, civil disobedience movement. We'll move to question number 25. The Indian National Army was led by Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Veer Savarkar, Subhash Chandra Bose. So Indian National Army was led by whom? Subhash Chandra Bose. So question number answer 4 is correct. Subhash Chandra Bose, he led the Indian National Army. 26, question number 26. The first president of independent India was when the India became independence, yes, got the freedom, independence, then who was the first president? Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru. So the correct answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the first president of India. Okay, next is what does land transport indicate? So land transport indicate means what does land transport means? Yes. So roadways and airways and waterways and railways, roadways and railways. The correct answer is roadways and railways because this is roadways and airways cannot be land transport. Yes. The same thing, airways and waterways cannot be land transport. Land matlab which is only on the land. Waterways and railways because it is water, talking about the water, so it cannot be this. The correct answer is roadways and railways. So this is the land transport. We'll move to question number 28. Which country has the world's largest railway network? Which country? What is the correct answer? India, USA, China, Russia. So correct answer is USA. USA. Yes. The which country has the world's largest railway network? So USA has the largest uh, largest railway network. USA has. We'll move to the question number 29. Which two seas does the Suez Channel join? Which two seas does the Suez Channel join? This is Baltic Sea, Arabian Sea. There are two seas, yes, Baltic Sea, Arabian Sea, South China Sea, Caspian Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea, Aral Sea, Java Sea. The correct answer is number 3, Mediterranean Sea, Red Sea. Yes, this is the correct answer. Now we move to question number 30. From where can we send a parcel थ्रू स्पीड पोस्ट? सो अगर आप स्पीड पोस्ट में पार्सल भेजना है तो कहां से आप भेजोगे? वेयर? फ्रॉम वेयर यू कैन सेंड? पोस्ट ऑफिस, बैंक, टेलीफोन एक्सचेंज, पुलिस स्टेशन. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज post office. So you have to go to post office if you want to send a parcel through speed post. So the correct answer is post office. Now we move to 31. The law-making body in our country is called the National Assembly, Federal Assembly, Congress, Parliament. Means who make the law in our country? Answer is Parliament. So law-making body in our country is called the Parliament. So correct answer is number 4, Parliament. We'll move to question number 32. The Lok Sabha can have a maximum of how many members Lok Sabha can have? Maximum member can have 12 members, 552 members, 238 members, 250 members. So the correct answer is 552 members. Second one. Yes. So Lok Sabha can have a maximum 552 members. We'll move to the next question. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of dash years. Means Rajya Sabha का जो member है, for how many years they can elected? 2 years, 10 years, 6 years, 5 years. The correct answer will be 6 years. Yes, so member of Rajya Sabha are elected for a 6 years. Or members of Lok Sabha are elected for 5 years, but Rajya Sabha's members जो है, they are elected for 6 years. 34, question 34. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam served as the president from. So APJ Abdul Kalam, he was the president. So which year, from which year to which year he has served as a president? 1992 to 1997, 1997 to 2002, 2002 to 2007, 2007 to 2012. So the correct answer is number 3, 2002 to 2007. Dr. Abdul Kalam, he served as a president. Okay, now we'll go to next one. The judges of Supreme Court are appointed by the, so सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो जज है वो किसने अपॉइंट करते हैं उनको? सो द जजेस ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट आर अपॉइंटेड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, स्पीकर, गवर्नर. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज प्रेसिडेंट. प्रेसिडेंट जो है सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो जजेस होता है उनको अपॉइंट करते हैं. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज प्रेसिडेंट. Move to question 36. The United Nations was formed after the First World War. This is the last lesson, the lesson number 19. This is the United Nations was formed after the First World War, Quit India movement, First War of Independence, or Second World War. So the correct answer is last one, Second World War. So यूनाइटेड नेशन वॉज फॉर्म, यूनाइटेड नेशन फॉर्म हुआ था सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद. ओके, सो दिस इज द फोर्थ वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर, सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर, UN. Okay, we move to the question 37. In the General Assembly, each member country has how many votes? 1 vote, 3 votes, 2 votes, unlimited votes. So the each member of the country has, in General Assembly में each member of the country can give how many votes? 1 vote. Okay, so answer will be 1 vote. So the first one is the correct answer. Move to 38. The Secretary General is the head of the Secretary Council, Secretariat, General Assembly, Trusteeship Council. So the correct answer is Secretariat. Yes, so Secretary General is the head of the Secretariat. So second one is the correct answer, Secretariat. We'll move to the 39 question. Many social welfare agencies work through the, जो social welfare agencies है कैसे काम करते हैं? Work through the International Court of Justice, Security Council, Trusteeship Council, Economic and Social Council. So the correct answer is Economic and Social Council. So many social welfare agencies work through the Economic and social council. So I think I have completed the questions, all these lessons uh, which you started, which were remaining. I think from 16 on lesson was I have started and I have completed till 19. So this is, you all have to study thoroughly all these objective type questions, and you need to practice several times. You write, you speak, you read. Okay, so all this way you have to practice it so that you know the answer very well. Okay, so thank you, students. And with this, you can study all the fill in the blanks, all the what do you call, match the followings, check points, true, false. From every lesson you find out whenever you get this type of questions. So please learn all these question answer. Thank you and take care. I'd like to stop the class over here.